At 7 a.m. in the Twin Cities, snow flurries were reported. It was 12 degrees, or minus 11 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 4. The relative humidity was 70%. The wind was northwest at 14 miles an hour. The wind chill was minus 3. The pressure was 30.13 inches and rising. Around the metro, temperatures were between 9 and 13 degrees. At Lakeville, snow was falling. At Eden Prairie, it was partly cloudy. At Blaine, it was mostly cloudy. It was cloudy at St. Paul and Lake Elmo. Around the state, snow was falling, with a temperature of 15 at Rochester and 2 at Duluth. At St. Cloud, it was clear, with a temperature of 1. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 1 at Brainerd, and minus 2 at International Falls. Across the Dakotas, skies ranged from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. It was minus 11 at Fargo, and minus 5 at Sioux Falls. In Iowa, at Des Moines, snow was falling, with a temperature of 16. At Mason City, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 9. Around Wisconsin, at Madison, snow was falling, with a temperature of 23. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 25 at Milwaukee and 15 at Eau Claire. Once again at 7 a.m. in the Twin Cities, it was 12 degrees. The wind chill was minus 3, with snow flurries.
Now the latest weather synopsis for the eastern Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa. A weather disturbance crossing Minnesota and Wisconsin will bring some light snow to portions of Iowa, eastern Minnesota, and Wisconsin today. Cold north winds, blowing across the relatively warm waters of Lake Superior, will continue to produce lake-effect snow showers across northern Wisconsin as well. Then, very cold air will follow on the heels of the weather disturbance tonight, ushering bitterly cold temperatures into the upper Midwest. The cold temperatures will linger across the area through much of the week, with a reinforcing shot of Arctic air Wednesday and Wednesday night. High temperatures will be in the single digits below zero over northwest Minnesota, climbing into the lower to middle 30s in southeast Iowa. Lows tonight should plunge to 15 to 20 below in the west, and around 5 above in the far southeast. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For today and tonight, dangerous wind chills around 25 below zero will occur across west central Minnesota into the early afternoon, as actual temperatures falling to near 10 below zero combine with 5 to 15 miles per hour northwest winds. More widespread wind chills between 25 below and 35 below zero are expected to develop tonight across the entire Minnesota portion of the outlook area. Over west central Wisconsin, wind chills overnight are expected to fall between 15 below and 25 below zero. The combination of 5 to 10 miles per hour northwest winds and actual air temperatures falling to between 10 below and 20 below zero will lead to the development of these dangerous wind chills overnight. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. A prolonged period of cold Arctic air will be in place across the outlook area Tuesday through Wednesday night. Brisk west to northwest winds during this period will result in the threat for dangerous wind chills in the 20 to 35 below zero range during nights and mornings from Tuesday morning through Thursday morning. Spotter information statement. Skywarn spotter activation will not be needed. The Twin Cities, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, February 6, 2011. Yesterday's high temperature was 29 degrees, and the low 23 for a mean temperature of 26 degrees. 0.01 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.02 inches. This is 0.15 inches below the normal amount of 0.17 inches for February. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 1.02 inches, which is 0.19 inches below normal. 0.3 inches of snow fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.5 inches. This is 1.3 inches below the normal amount of 1.8 inches for February. The total snowfall for the year now stands at 60.9 inches, which is 25.0 inches above normal. There were 39 heating degree days yesterday, which is 10 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 298, which is 2 above normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 4,808, which is 231 below normal. The highest wind gust observed was 21 miles an hour from the north. Yesterday the average wind speed was 7 miles an hour. The normal high temperature for today is 26 degrees, and the normal low is 9. The record high for today is 53, which occurred in 1987, and the record low is -29, which occurred in 1875. Sunrise today is at 7:25 a.m. and sunset is at 5:29 p.m. The Chanhassen, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, February 6, 2011. Yesterday's high temperature was 28 degrees and the low 20. 0.02 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.03 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 0.99 inches. 0.4 inches of snow fell yesterday. There were 41 heating degree days yesterday. This brings the monthly total to 314. The yearly total since July 1st is 5,119. Arctic air will continue to spill over the upper Midwest over the next several days. Temperatures will continue to plummet into the teens below zero across much of central and south-central Minnesota by Tuesday morning. The combination of these cold temperatures and brisk northwest winds will send wind chill readings tumbling down to 20 below to 35 below zero by daybreak Tuesday. A wind chill advisory means that very cold air and wind will combine to generate low wind chills. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia if precautions are not taken. If you must venture outdoors, make sure you wear a hat and gloves. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Today, mostly cloudy with occasional snow in the morning, then partly cloudy with scattered flurries in the afternoon. Little or no snow accumulation. Highs around 10 above. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening then clearing. Lows around 10 below. Northwest winds 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs 5 to 10. West winds 10 miles an hour increasing to 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows 5 below to 10 below zero. West winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 10. Lows around 10 below. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 10. Lows near zero. Friday and Friday night, not as cold. Partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-20s. Lows around 15. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Highs around 30. Lows around 20. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today, mostly cloudy with occasional snow in the morning, then partly cloudy with scattered flurries in the afternoon. Little or no snow accumulation. Highs around 10 above. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%.